What's happening YouTube? Super Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at the Hidizs S3 Pro. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you could be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So basically, Hidizs have a lot of products on their website. I'm going to link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. If you want to get this particular product, I'll link this down below as well. So go ahead and check that out. We're going to go ahead and try this out. But this is pretty much a high resolution DAC. It's a dongle so that you can have high resolution sounds coming out of this. It's really good for MacBook Air M1s that doesn't have the headphone jacks and you want to use Logic Pro or something like that to edit your music. You can also use this on your Android phones that has USB-C, or you can use this on iPads as well. So that's really good. Let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Look at the packaging. It comes with a case as well. Really nice, like that. Let's open this up right here. Boom. There we go. Comes with the literature right there. Show you some information there if you want to read about it. Also comes with a little DAC right here. Pretty nice design. Some braided cord up there. And then a USB-C right there, and also the headphone jack right there. Now, if you don't want to use the USB-C, you can also convert it to a USB-A, like so. And that's it for the packaging. The S3 Pro has a lot of features. It utilizes a powerful DAC chip, which is the ESS9281C Pro with low power consumption, ultra low distortion close to zero noise, and MQA8X support. Your music will be played back accurately by a master clock for the powerful processing ability. Features like ultra portable design, sampling rate indicator light, up to 32-bit 384 kHz, PCM DSD 128. It's compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, and iPad OS, which means it'll be able to provide you with the optimal performance you crave. 3 tuning styles to choose from as well, which incorporates unique insights of the Hidizs audio team on sound and rich experience in designing high fidelity products. Now let's go ahead and show you how to hook it up on our MacBook Air M1. We're just gonna pretty much put it on our Thunderbolt side right here, and then we're gonna go through the settings and also look at Logic Pro and look at the settings on that as well. After it's hooked up to the MacBook Air, now you can put in your headphones just like that. Today we are using Dr. Dre Detox Beats headphones. After that, we're going to go to System Preferences on our MacBook Air, and then we're going to go to Sound. On an output, we're going to use the S3 Pro DAC and amp. Now from here, you can use your Apple Music, Spotify, or whatever music provider you are using, even YouTube Music. Right now, we're just going to go to the settings of our Logic Pro and show you here in audio that you can change your devices as well. On your output devices, again, you can use the system settings there or the S3 Pro DAC, whichever one will work because we've already changed it on our settings. After you've changed your settings on the Logic Pro, now you can create the music you want using that device, using Logic Pro. And pretty much I find this really cool, and I actually thought it was a really nice sound. Even though my headphones are really old, it was able to ramp up the sound as well, so that's really cool right there. Yeah, you can really hear the detail because of this DAC. It's really nice. I can't even distort the sound that is coming out of my mouth, my voice, and really good, man. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, you can really tell all the detail here. Pretty nice. Boom. Cool. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new DAC so that you can edit high resolution audio on your MacBook Air M1. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to see the whole website, they have a different products in there in Hidizs. Go ahead and check that out because it's really cool what they have in there. I'll link everything down in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay safe out there. Peace.